fans, marriage is by force. So, hey, not be every man now that they marry say marriage is not by force. When he reach grandpapa turn, marriage is by force. Grandpapa say Regina Daniel must still come back home. Say that rehab. He know they say make Regina Daniel come back home. He go say Regina Daniel must go back to rehab. Now that one now people they talk. Rehab, is it by force? Grandpapa say it's by force. Say he's fighting for his children. Now, grandpapa fourth wife, when they call Chantel, don't personally call Mama Regina Daniel. Send warning to Mama Regina Daniel. Say, come, this thing what I won't tell you so. If you like, listen. If you like, not listen. You see your daughter Regina Daniel, she has already been sacrificed. But they never use her. If you like, carry your daughter back to that house. It will be the end for her. Chantel let Mama Regina Daniel know, say, Grandpapa is not crying about Regina Daniel to return for any rehab or no rehab. Grandpapa gets his own personal plan towards Regina Daniel. My people, things they happen. So, according to Chantel now, Chantel don't make her clear, say, Mama Regina Daniel, go and protect your daughter. Everything is not about physical battle. This battle where you see so, Grandpapa, they fight you physical, they fight you spiritual. Chantel tell Mama Regina Daniel, say this one where Regina Daniel, they talk, say, I will not go back. It's over. I will move on. He says something go push Regina Daniel back to Grandpapa house without she even knowing. Now when she don't reach there, now her eyes go clear. Wonder shall never end, though, my people.
You want divorce. You want come up for marriage. You want divorce. You want come up for marriage. You be like say they no carry you go church. They no carry you go church. They no carry you go mosque. Guys, they wear wedding gown for their marriage day. You wear a juju attire. You wear juju attire. You don't know say na secret court you go join. Okay, because you not see Kanaya for that daddy. You don't join court, my sister. No ending of this marriage.
He knows. Ned Nwoko do something for Regina Daniel. If she knock outside, he knows now. Ask Ned Nwoko, he knows. Yeah. So that if Regina Daniel go knock outside, because he knows that Regina Daniel will go and knock. You say I'm a street girl now, so I know every. So we all know that Ned Nwoko go do something. If ask Ned Nwoko, he knows.
My lovely fans, Grandpapa fourth wife Chantel tell Mama Regina Daniel, say, no talk say you don't win battle. Go sit down, they drink wine, they eat fried meat. Now the battle starts. As Grandpapa don't deal with una physical, he go enter spiritual. Hey, now person wey don't fair marry the man, I can they talk with him to say, Mama Regina Daniel, go tie your wrapper. You see your daughter Regina Daniel, go tie wrapper for her. One day your daughter go throw a different character where you yourself you not go understand. You go dey ask yourself questions, say how? Grandpapa, if he deal with you physical, he will deal with you spiritual. So, according to Chantel, he say make Mama Regina Daniel carry Regina Daniel go. If na church, if na mosque, if na tradition, anywhere we want carry and go. But for she go say make he go somewhere where God dey. Either church or go meet all those afar. God, mosque. So make carry and go church. Say that one I prefer because she not there for deliverer. He said, Grandpapa, the reason why Grandpapa they say he need Regina Daniel, he said not be because of rehab. He said, thank God say Mama Regina Daniel. He said, thank God say Regina Daniel use her own mouth. Say talk and say the same Grandpapa will say they find healing. Now only one go shook hand for pockets. See give them the thing made they take. Make they take the eye. Chantel say, make Mama Regina Daniel carry daughter go church. He said because this thing where grandpapa they call rehab, he said now to bring Regina Daniel back. May they come complete the ritual when the grandpapa won't do. He said ritual, now grandpapa won't do. He said as grandpapa do, they say bring Regina Daniel, bring Regina Daniel. Now because they do the trouble for their occultic word for that side. He said now they say bring Regina Daniel. There is something he's collecting from that girl. There is a kind of sacrifice when he offer with that girl. That's why he's crying, bring her, I want to take her to rehab. I want to take her to rehab. He said because all grandpapa wife, anyone will be say they get quarrel like this, way grandpapa be saying don't use, he know they send them again. Now the ones we never use, now they send. And according to waiting Chantel talk, he said grandpapa only one go still do the work, spiritual work. Only Regina Daniel go use her 2 leg come beg am. He said no be the first time when it dey happen. He said in when they marry grandpapa, he see other wives when they can't stand the situation of things. They carry their load before grandpapa come run comot. He said grandpapa not talk. He said first of all, he said get one of grandpapa wife. He not call the number of the wife. He said that one run before grandpapa come. He said that one he said that one not they born again. That one don't born finish. He said now only backyard now grandpapa they give that one. You know they do front. My people, maybe they ask question, but now this one they call look before you leap. He said that woman, he said grandpapa no they do one for front. Now no front now. No they go kwekuso. Now backyard. Now grandpapa they do the woman. The woman don't tire. Grandpapa no concrete they enter front again. Now lay back. Now they enter that woman. The woman called they dry. He said if you see the woman called they dry. He said grandpapa no they see anything wrong with her. He said the woman they go they rush and they go hospital say he no get BLEOD for body. And once he reach hospital, they'll still put for her. They'll still give her all this strong BLEOD medicine. The woman go take. Once the woman is okay, don't stand on her feet again. Grandpapa go continue from where he stop. Go start to the handle that woman. He say now lay back now they give the woman. And he go tell all those nanny, may they prepare correct better food for the woman, may they eat. And the woman go they eat all this better food. Before you know, under 1 month wey don't go hospital, they don't recover this woman. Say the woman don't strong, you don't get BLEOD. The woman don't get BLEOD. Say under 1 month, you say everything will just disappear. They don't know where till they disappear. Chantel say the woman can't carry her bag, she can't run before grandpapa come. See the woman can't run. He say as the woman come out, he say when grandpapa just come. Grandpapa find the woman innocent, start to call her. He can't notice say the woman don't come out. He said grandpapa can't they disturb the woman family that time. Say family coincidentally too, they not see the woman. He said wetin make grandpapa no arrest the woman family that time. He said because the girl no run go a family house. He said that grandpapa wife no run go a family house. Grandpapa wife, he run go meet friends. So grandpapa do already get information. Say the family know nothing about anything. Say now the girlfriend, now they advise the girl say run no. So grandpapa they say not talk. They say one day they day for house like this. Neither grandpapa wife use her 2 legs take come. He say use her 2 legs take come. As he use her 2 legs take come, he come for return grandpapa children. As he return grandpapa children, she can't come out. She say not say again. The woman use her 2 legs take come. He said that woman they use her knee till they crawl for ground, they beg grandpapa. He said they use knee, they crawl, they cry, they beg grandpapa. This now woman will be say there was nothing she was enjoying in this marriage. There was no peace for her because the situation of the woman was critical. There is no way any woman will deal with her right senses will want to stay in such a marriage. Now this woman was able to escape. Grandpapa fourth wife said this woman use her 2-legged Benz, still take come back to grandpapa with her knee begging. He said the same thing with Lila. He said the same thing with her. Then now when grandpapa don't use them, e no get wetin dey collect for them. Na if person go grandpapa no go send am. As long as that thing wey dey find for that person, he never collect am, he go do everything. Chantel say, Mama Regina Daniel, as everything don settle now, they don't carry your pikin come outside. No fold your hand. Let your eye dey shine. Let Regina Daniel eye dey shine. Let everybody around you, let their eye dey shine. And the first thing, carry your daughter to a church. Let them do prayer and fasting for her. Grandpapa is not who you think he is. Grandpapa go spiritual. Before you come one day, Regina Daniel don't go meet Grandpapa. Don't go kneel down. Now she go even dey beg. Say she won't come back. And according to Chantel, that thing is not ordinary. Say, Mama Regina Daniel, go and do something for your daughter. No just fold your hand. They look, say, we don't win. There is something they call physical and spiritual win. If you want to win physical, you have to win spiritual. This man is a strong spiritual man. He will drag your daughter, come back. Now only when he say he don't tire, now marriage they end. There is none of a marriage when he end, where the women say they don't tire. Now Grandpapa now they tell the woman say they go, he don't tire. Wonder shall never end, though, Mama Regina Daniel. This is the time for you to tie your wrapper, follow Regina Daniel. Chantel say Regina Daniel say the colo say they go still throw it for your body. He say make Mama Regina Daniel not wait till Regina Daniel case can become critical. Because Grandpapa go plan everything evil on Regina Daniel. Mama Regina Daniel, carry your daughter, go church. Una no say as Chantel be, in the talk now. So, Mama Regina Daniel, carry Regina Daniel, go church. This is not something you will just let her be. They say Grandpapa is not only physically strong man, he's spiritually strong man, traditionally strong man. This man, if he deal with una physical, una not here, he go come spiritual. That spiritual, we not fit fight, oh. We not fit fight because we not go see where Grandpapa for go arrest anybody. We not go see where Grandpapa for hold Regina Daniel cloth. All those things, now people will get spiritual eye. Now they go come they see at that time. They say prevention is better than cure. Before matter come tough, Grandpapa. Before matter come tough, Mama Regina Daniel, carry Regina Daniel, carry and go church. My people, me I know say this thing, me myself I know say this thing, there are more to it. There are more because this rehab where Grandpapa they talk, Regina Daniel even attack and put no be saying we they talk. Regina Daniel attack Grandpapa say rehab where they talk, rehab where you go lock am for his house. Then when you want knock, you go open door, come knock, and if you knock finish, you still lock door come out. Now it be rehab. Now so they tell they put people for rehab. Mama Regina Daniel, go pray for your daughter. Tie wrapper, carry your daughter, go do prayer. This is no longer now this online thing we don't talk and we don't settle matter. Now everything you have to do should be behind closed door. Carry this your daughter, go church. May they go deliver her. According to Chantel say na sacrifice they use that they do. All those backyard where they knock all those front, all na sacrifice, all na waiting they tell them, make they do for their courts. So Mama Regina Daniel, go and deliver your daughter properly. If Regina Daniel no one go, tie a leg, tie a hand. God say pikin we not ready to serve her. Tie a hand, beat her, force her make serve her. Tie your pikin hand, tie your pikin leg, carry and go church by force. When they go deliver her from every demon we Grandpapa put for your body. My people, make una leave in a comment for the comment section. This na Gossip Big TV. God